Invoice Ninja is an open-source platform that provides comprehensive invoicing, billing, and payment processing solutions for freelancers, small businesses, and entrepreneurs. It offers a range of features designed to streamline the invoicing process, improve cash flow, and simplify financial management. Here are some key features of Invoice Ninja. 1. Invoicing. 2. Estimates and quotes. 3. Financial reporting and analytics. 4. Recurring billing. 5. Expense tracking. 6. Customization and branding. Here are benefits of using Invoice Ninja. 1. Improved cash flow. 2. Automation and efficiency. 3. Flexible payment options. 4. Scalability. 5. Streamlined invoicing process. 6. Client management. Meru Accounting has a team of Invoice Ninja experts. Our team has extensive experience in implementing, customizing, and optimizing Invoice Ninja for various industries. Here are the services that Meru Accounting provides by using Invoice Ninja. 1. Financial documentation to automate account handling. 3. Estimation and quotation. 4. Expense tracking. 5. Payment processing. 6. Recurring billing. Increase financial health of your business with Invoice Ninja, a powerful and affordable invoicing and expense management tool used by over 200,000 small business owners. Partner with Meru Accounting to utilize its advanced features tailored to your business needs. Contact us now.